Now this is the circuit to find out higher cutoff frequency, that is FH. The modification that we are going to do here is we are keeping the frequency of input signal instead of 100 Hz as 10 kHz, and also we are attaching shunt capacitance CSH at the output whose value is 3.3 nanofarad. Once you do connection like this, the waveform we are supposed to get is of this kind. It is showing the charging and discharging nature of capacitor. So first of all, adjust your waveform between limits 0 to maximum 100%. These markings are available on the screen of CRO. Then you have to find out TR like this. So the point where waveform crosses 10% is your T1. Note down T1. Then look at the point where waveform crosses 90% and note down T2. The difference between T2 and T1 will be your TR. So this is the circuit. Now as you can see here, this capacitor, shunt capacitor, we have attached at the output, and also you can see here that we have set now input frequency to value 10 kHz, and this is now corresponding output waveform. As you can see here, the waveform is not adjusted between the limits 0 and 100%. So these are the markings on CRO. If you carefully see, this is 0%, 10%, 90 and 100%. So using amplitude button, I am slightly increasing the amplitude of output waveform, and I will accommodate the waveform within limits 0 to 100%. Once the waveform is accommodated, now TR you can directly measure by shifting the waveforms. So if you shift the waveform horizontally, suppose I coincide with this point, this is my T1 where waveform is crossing 10%, and this is my T2 where waveform is crossing 90%. So difference between T1 and T2, clearly it is from the screen 1.8, and my multiplier here for times per division, it is on 20 microsecond. So my TR will be 1.8 into 20 microseconds. So this is the calculation part for FH. TR, as I told you, 1.8 into 20 microseconds will be 36 microseconds, and the formula for calculating FH is 0.35 upon TR. It is 9.7277 kilo, and that is approximately 10 kilohertz. So for our amplifier, higher cutoff frequency is 10 kHz and lower cutoff frequency, as we have calculated before, 6.36 Hz. The difference between the two will be our bandwidth, which is again approximately 10 kHz.